Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 5 of English Reader. That is, the name of the book is Open Sky and the name of the chapter is The Dancing Princesses. Dear students, in this chapter we have explained the story in detail, as well as you have also completed the word meaning and question answer of this chapter. Dear students, today we will complete the true false, filling the blanks and multiple choice question given in the chapter. Okay students, so just open your book, page number 46. Just open the page number 46 of English Reader. Page number 46 of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Sky and the chapter number 5. Okay students, and put out the pencil also to fill the exercises given in the books. Okay students, you will fill the exercise in your book only. No need to write in the notebook. In the notebook you will write only word meaning and question answer of the chapter. Okay, and other exercises, true false, filling the blanks, multiple choice question, you will complete in the book only. Okay, so now start the true false. Okay students, for second exercise, the second exercise is given here, true false. To state if the following sentence is true false. The students, sentences are given here. You have to read the sentence carefully and you have to tell that the given sentence is true according to the chapter or not. Okay, the given sentence is true or false according to the chapter. Okay, now we will see the question. The princesses succeeded in knowing about the worn-out shoes of the princess. Dear students, in the story we have read that in the beginning, when the king noticed that those who ever find out the secret of the worn-out shoes will be, he will get married with the eldest daughter. He may choose the one of the daughters to get married. Dear students, but the prince could not succeed because he had slept in the night. Therefore, he could not tell anything about the worn-out shoes in the morning. Dear students, the sentences is given here. The prince succeeded. No, he did not succeed. He did not succeed. Okay, so the first sentence is false. The prince succeeded in knowing about the worn-out shoes of the princesses. No, he did not succeed. He did not succeed to know about the worn-out shoes of the princesses. Okay students, so this is false. Okay students, in the first question, the first sentence is false. In the box you will fill the word false. Okay students, in the box you will fill the word false. Come to the next question, question number B. Just see what is the sentence. The old man gave a magical cloak to the soldiers. Yes, on the way once a soldier was also wanted to try his luck. Therefore, he was moving towards the palace. On the way, he met with an old lady, and the old lady suggested him not to drink anything if any princesses will give you to drink, and she also gave him a magical cloak. Okay, after wearing that cloak, no one can see him. So here the sentence is given, the old man gave a magical cloak to the soldiers. Yes, this is the correct sentence. Therefore, that is true. Okay, students, you will fill in the box the word true. First one is false and second one is true. Come to the next question. The sentence number C, just see. After walking a little distance, the soldiers saw a wide river. Yes, when the soldiers were following the princesses, when they were getting down through the staircases, he also wore the magical cloak and he also followed them. And he went inside the floor and he saw, what he saw? After a little distance, he saw the wide river. So that is true. Okay students, the sentence is given, after walking a little distance, the soldiers saw a wide river. Yes, that is true. So you will fill in the box true. Okay students, just fill the word true in the question number C of the exercise number 2. Okay, come to the next question. Just see the question. Nobody could see the prince when he got up on the boat. No, dear students, just see read the sentence carefully. Nobody could see the prince when he got up on the boat. No, who has seen? The soldier had seen. Who had seen? The soldier had seen. When the prince got up on the boat. Who saw? The soldier saw. Because he was wearing the magical cloak and nobody was seeing him. But he was seeing everyone. Okay students? So here we can say that it is written here, nobody could see the prince. So that is the wrong sentence. Soldier had seen the prince. Therefore that is the correct. Therefore that is false. Therefore that is false sentence. That is false. Question number D is false. Fill it. Next question. The princesses danced the whole night until their shoes were worn out. Yes. When you will read the story, you will find out that they went to a palace and they start dancing. They began dancing till until the shoes were worn out. So that sentence is the correct sentence. The princesses danced the whole night until their shoes were worn out. That is the truth. Okay, students. So in this way we have completed the exercise number 2, that is true or false. The first A is false, B is true, C is true, D is false, and question number E is true. Okay students, you will fill in the given box in your book at the page number 46. Okay, now we will discuss the filling the blanks. Filling the blanks given in the next question. Okay students, I hope that you all have written, therefore I am going to erase it. If anyone has any kind of problem, can ask on WhatsApp. Just see the next question. What is the question? Exercise number 3. This is the exercise number 3. Now just see the question. Complete the sentences with the words from the nation. Dear student, this sentence is incomplete. There are some blank given. You have to fill that blank, choosing the appropriate word from the lesson. Okay, it means that is the filling the blanks. You can say complete the sentences with word from the lesson. You have to find out the word that is given in the chapter, that is given in the lesson, and you have to put that word in the given blank. Okay, so you can say that is filling blanks. It is exercise number 3. You can see, just see first question. What is the first question? The 7 princesses. Yes, just see the sentence. The 7 princesses. The 7 princesses went inside. Went inside of, there is a blank, and began to dance. And began to dance. And began to dance. this is the sentence. Here in the blank you have to fill. You have to find out the word from the lesson and you have to fill here. The sentence is given. The 7 princesses went inside her. Where? Where she went? Where they went? They went in a palace. So you will fill here the word palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. Okay, students, just wait. The 7 princesses went inside a palace and began to dance. This is the complete sentence. And in the blank, you will fill the word palace. Okay, students, just fill it. The word palace is the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Okay, question number B. Now we will discuss the question number B. When they reached it, just see the question. When they reached it, when they reached the shore. Shore means I have told you edge of a river, edge of a sea. When they reached the shore, the princesses said goodbye. The princesses, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S-E-S. Just write down. Dear students, it is not visual, therefore I am going to read it. The princesses okay, when they reached the shore, the princesses said goodbye. Goodbye to their just see, when they reached the shore, the princesses said goodbye to their princess. To their princess. You will fill the word princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S. Okay, students, just see the suitable word is princess. Just see, what is the sentence? When they reached the shore, the princesses said goodbye to their princess. Okay? Princess. You will fill the word princess. Okay, students, come to the next question number C. Let's see the question number C. The king was. Dear students, just see the sentence given in your book. The king was. The king was. There is a blank. The king was. With the action of this word. With the action of the soldiers. Just see, the king was ... with the action of the soldiers. You have to fill here the suitable word. What would be that suitable word? From the book, from the chapter, from the nation. The king was pleased. The king was pleased. He was very happy. He was very pleased with the action done by the soldiers. Just see, the king was pleased with the action of the soldier. Okay, students? So you will fill the word pleased. Okay? In the first blank you will fill the word palace. In the second blank you will fill the word princess. In the third blank you will fill the word pleased. Okay, students? So complete it. And now come to the next question. Question number D. Okay, students, I am going to erase it, and I hope that you all have done these two questions. Just see the question. Question number D. What is the question number D? The soldiers chose the soldier chose the CHOSE chose the princess in marriage. In marriage. Just see, the soldier chose which princess? To whom he chose? The soldier chose the princess in marriage. What would be the suitable word will be there? Eldest. You will fill the word eldest. Okay, student, what would be the correct sentence? The soldier chose the eldest princess in marriage. Okay? The soldier chose the eldest princess in the marriage. This is the past form of the choose. Okay? Come to the next question. Question number E. What is question number E? Yes, students, I am going to read it. Question number E. When the eldest princess, gave a glass of wine, the soldier there is a blank. The soldier to drink, D-R-I-N-K, to drink, and fall asleep, S-L-E-E. Here, students, this is the sentence. Here in the blank you have to fill the suitable word. Just see the sentence. When the eldest princess gave a glass of wine, the soldier to drink and fall asleep. In reality, he did not drink. He was just only pretended. Okay, students. So you will fill here the word pretended. The soldier pretended. Pretended means acting. Pretended. The soldier pretended. You will fill the word pretended. P-R-E-T-E-N-D-E-D. Okay, pretended. You will fill the word pretended. When the eldest princess gave a glass of wine, the soldier pretended to drink and fall asleep. Okay, students. So you will fill the word eldest in the question number D. You will fill the word pretended in the question number E of the exercise number 3. Okay, students. So in this way we have completed the exercise number 3 of the chapter number 5, that is fill in the blanks. To complete the sentences by filling the suitable words from the lesson. Okay, students. So just complete it, and now we will discuss the exercise number 4, that is multiple choice question. Okay, students, I hope that you all have done. Therefore, I am going to erase it. If anyone has any kind of doubt, can ask on WhatsApp in this question. Come to the next exercise, that is exercise number 4. What is exercise number 4? See. What is exercise number 4? Put a tick on the correct option. Dear students, the question is put a tick. Put a tick. This is your question. Okay, put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentence. Dear students, there are 4 options also given. That is known as multiple choice question. Okay. This question is also known as multiple choice question. You can say and there are 4 options. You have to select only one and you have to tick on that option. Okay, just see the question. First question is given here. In this question, just see the soldier, SOLDIER, the soldier, blank is given here. There is blank, and what the old man had said. What the old man had said. Okay, students, just see the sentence. The soldier ... what the old woman had said. You have to fill here the word from the option read. The soldier read what the old man says. No. The second option, the soldier remembered what the old man said. Yes, it is remembered is the correct option. So you will take on the option number B. Second, it is option number second, remembered. Remembered, it is in past. Okay, that option is the correct. You will tick on the box. Okay, just see. The soldier remembered what the old woman had said. Okay, student, the option number second is the most appropriate option. You will tick on that. Okay, come to the next question. Question number B. Just see the question number B. The beautiful trees at the bottom of the star's head. Just see the beautiful trees at the bottom of star head. There are 4 options. Just see the question, student. Attend carefully. The beautiful trees at the bottom of the star have what? Golden leaves, silver leaves, diamond leaves, pink leaves. In the beginning it was the silver leaf. Okay, the bottom of the star had silver leaves. Okay, the option number second is the most appropriate option, silver leaves. Okay, students, you will tick on that option. Just see the sentence. The beautiful trees at the bottom of the star had silver leaves. Okay, you will tick on the option number second, that is silver leaves. Okay, students, so in the question number A, the option number second, remembered, is the correct option. In the question number B, option number second, that is silver leaves, is the correct option. Okay, students, I hope that you all have done it. Therefore, I am going to erase it. Come to the next question. Question number C. What is question number C? Just see. There were 7 boats. There were 7 boats. There were 7 boats with 7 princes. With 7 princes. One in. There are options. Now see. There are 7 boats and 7 princes. One in every boat? No. All boats? No. Each boat? Yes. Each boat is the correct option. And it means third option is the most appropriate option, that is each boat. Each boat is the correct option. You will tick on the option number 3. Okay students, just see, there were 7 boats with 7 princes, one in each boat. The option number 3 is the most appropriate option. You will tick on that. Okay students, so complete it. Come to the next question. Question number D. What is question number D? Just see. Turn the page student. Come to the page number 47. Each princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, each princess got into boat, and there is a blank away. Okay students, this is the sentence. Just see, each princess got into boat and ... away. You have to fill. There are 4 options. Marched, that is not suitable. Each princess got into boats and marched away. No, that is wrong. Walked away. No, that is wrong. Ran away. No, that is also wrong. Sailed away, because they were on boats. Okay, so most appropriate option is sailed away. S-A-I-L-A-D. Okay, it means option number 4 is the correct option. That is sailed. S-A-I-L-A-D. You will take on the option. Okay, you will fill in the blank also. You will also tick on the option. Each princess got into boat and sailed away. Yes, sailed away. That is the option number 4. That is the correct option. Okay students, just complete it. And now the last question. Just see the last question. Question number E. What is the question? The soldier sword the king. The soldier sword the king what? The soldier sword the king. What he sword? Option is given here. Leaves? No. Princess? No. Stairs? No. Tree twigs. Okay? Tree twigs he sword. What he shows? Tree twigs. The option tree twigs is the correct option. That is the option number 4. Option number 4 is the correct option. You will tick on that. Okay students, the soldier sword the king tree twigs. Okay students, so you will tick in the question number D. You will tick on the option number 4, that is sailed. In the question number E, you will tick on the option number 4, that is tree twigs. Okay students, so in this way we have completed today true false, filling the blanks and multiple choice question given in the chapter number 5, the dancing princess. Okay students, if anyone have any kind of doubts, can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.